Here's a little shot of the boys. There's just a couple guys that I've got kicking around here. 5 of them in here. But I got a little skipper, a little fawn down next to the garden down there. See if we can hold this still enough. There he goes. I'll zoom out. Let me see if I can go around. Sometimes he takes right out. There's 2 of them in here. The mom jumps the fence. Last couple years, the moms have jumped the fence. Last year I had 5 in here. This year is 2. They jumped the fence and have their babies in here with the sheep because it's nice and safe. And around about this time of year, so that he was born. That little skipper was born in, I think June. I think he was a late one in June. And the other one's a little bit bigger than that one. I think the other one was May. So it's you know, he's only 3 months old or whatever. So, but he's got to get out of here before winter, so there's not enough in here for him. See if I can get a better shot. He's kind of going over the hill now, but there he is. Hi, baby. They know my voice. Every time I come up the driveway, they usually hang around. The garden is his mom goes in the garden. Both moms. There's 4 foot of fence around it, but that's nothing for these turkeys. So, oh, there he goes. He's gonna go over there. He's gonna. Let's see if we can get him. And he's only. This isn't zoom. I forget what this is. 20 times zoom. He's probably only I don't know, 100 yards away, a little over 100. I'm trying to hold this steady, but it's not focusing very good for you. But so I don't know. Maybe I can get some other shots of the other one. I try and remember the camera to bring it, but sometimes you know how that goes. So the other thing I wanted to show you is I got my replacement bucket, cleanup bucket from my buddy. You know, I swapped out the other one, the Yanmar factory. They're all backed up still, but we were able to get one new one. So this one, I don't know if anybody remembers what I was talking about before, but the other one had a big twist in it, and it was digging about 1.5 inches lower on one side than the other side. So, and I don't know, it's going to be kind of hard to show you here, but this top plane of this is even with the cutting edge down there all the way through, right? And so the other one, the cutting edge was way back on one side and way twisted out on the other side, and it was kind of annoying. Didn't make a big difference when the bucket was flat on the ground like this, but when you were trying to you know, trying to scrape more, it would dig in, you know, 1.5 inches or something on one side than the other. So we got a new one of them. That's good. And the other thing, my took about 2.5 months to come in, my frost ripper, and I gotta say, this thing is rugged. This is a rugged piece there. Most of these that I've seen, they're a lot narrower in here. This is inch thick steel, and most of the ones, the tooth comes up and it's literally probably half of that distance. I mean, I haven't measured this with a tape, but I'm guessing that's probably 16 anyways. 16 inches across there. And it looks like, you know, you got a pin-on tooth on it, so it should be real nice. It should do a real nice job ripping, you know, anything from picking at ledge, ripping roots, getting through frozen ground. So it's pretty, you know, sturdily made for sure. I haven't gotten a chance to try it. I just got it the other day, so I will do a video on that and show you guys that. So, but we got it, so we'll do one later. Okay, see you, bye.